Alright, what's going on, guys? So today I decided I'm going to install my LED light bars, getting rid of the factory stuff. So here we go. eBay special light bars going in there. Not quite sure how I'm going to mount them, but so I guess my plan is a little bit unconventional for most, but I ended up sanding this down, grinding it down to bare metal, grinding the light bracket down to bare metal, and I'm probably just going to do something kind of like this. I'm going to just kind of tack that in, you know, obviously straight, and run a lazy eye setup. Alright, so what I did is just tacked it to it. There we go, that's a decent shot. It's not going anywhere, it doesn't need much. Alright, so I got both lights in and mounted. Ended up just taking out the motor, connecting the rod, drilling a hole, nut and bolt. Pretty simple. LED lights installed. See what it looks like with the bumper on. Alright, there it is with the bumper on. Not too bad now. Time to do some wiring. Alright, so starting my downpipe. Cut off a flange from an old turbo exhaust. Went to my local auto parts store, picked up a little 90, trimmed it to size, and gonna start on my downpipe here. Alright, got the wheels off, got some new tires. Gonna take these over to Mike's. He's gonna switch them out at work for me. So meeting my new fronts. Got some more rims like that on order and on the way. So it'll be all matching. Alright, just got to Mike's. Get these out of here. You want to grab the fresh rubbers? There's no wires. Dude, there's not.
I get my hands fucking cut up.
Check these out. There's no wires.
Yeah. Damn, what sidewall are those? Like a 50?
55?
Oh, they're 16s. I forget that.
Yeah. It's gonna have some meats up on there. Low tire pressure. Alright, get mounted. Peace, bitch. Alright guys, what's up? Next day, heading over to Mike's right now to go pick up those wheels I had to mount some tires on. Get those on the front of the RX-7. Got my Bridge Moto helmet and visor all installed. I went with the amber and orange. My sweet skeleton gloves, they are awesome. Just getting ready for the season. Alright, and the new steer tires are on. Can't wait to get my rears to put on so I have a matching set. But that's probably it for this one. So still got to do a little bit of wiring down here to the lights. I'm going to kind of hack into the harness and just use what I need and probably cut back what I don't need. There's some relays up there that I still need to mount, but these are in and looking pretty good. I'm pretty happy with them. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, everything like that. Drifting's coming up soon, so hopefully have some way more exciting videos. So yeah, make sure to check out A-List. Here's the hoodie. I think this thing is rad. You should probably pick one up. Make sure to use my promo code, get a little bit off, you know, a little discount. But thanks for watching guys, and peace. See you on the next one.